Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how the solution if you are not or you couldn't find your Google Meet feature on your desktop Gmail. If you are using Android or iOS, it's supposed to be by default the Meet button or the Google Meet button already there, but here in the desktop version you have to activate the Google Meet option. So how to do that? You just click this gear icon, and then click see all settings, and then here you can see this is chat and meet on the tab, chat and meet tab, and then you can click this show the meet section in the main menu. So I click save change, and then it will be refresh automatically, and then next, and then done. See, this is the Google Meet already here, so I can start a Google meeting using this email. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.